Hey guys, welcome to Double D's RCs. Today we're going to do some A-arms in the front of my Traxxas slash two-wheel drive. This is the part number that I'm going to be putting on today, 80242. This is the stock lower A-arm in the front, and then this is the RPM one. Similar, and I don't know, we'll see. For this one, you're just going to need a 2mm hex head of some sort, or Allen wrench. There's one screw here at the bottom of the front of the A-arm. You're going to take that completely out. There's a screw here at the bottom of the shock that you're going to take out, and then there's a seat clip right here that you're going to take out. After you take that out, this pin here will slide through. You can push it to the back and then just reverse the process. Okay, the first screw I've loosened up. You take that out and put it to the side. Then that frees up this whole assembly, and lay that to the side. This is the lower screw on the front shock. Take that completely out, and that frees up your shock. Alright, so you're going to take this C-clip out of the front pin there, and use a flathead screwdriver and just kind of pry it. That's how I get it off, at least. Now there's going to be I guess a stabilizer bar of some sort. Get that off, and you can push it to the side a little bit. Now you have to try and get this pin to push in towards the back of the vehicle and pull the pin completely out. So this little clip is a pain in the ass, at least for me. I lose one every time I do this stupid shit, so make sure to have a couple extra C-clips on the shelf before you start this project, because if you're a retard like me, the clip will pop off and go flying somewhere, and good luck finding it. But either way, I got one on there, so now we just put it back together. Now you just put the pin back, and the thingy bopper at the bottom here. There it goes. Screw that guy in. Start this pin off. You can run it in either hole. There is two positions here. See which one works better for you. And after that, you are good to go. This is the outer pin, and then this is the lower shock bolt. Two positions here. Pick one. Alright guys, now we have both lower control arms, lower A arms on the front here. Almost everything has been upgraded to RPM as far as suspension. One thing is, whatever hole you pick for mounting on the bottom here, or on the lower shock where it goes in, make sure that you put it in the same hole on both sides. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, to my channel and share this video if you so choose. We'll see you next time.